Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super important topic in machine learning, overfitting and underfitting. These are common problems that can make or break your model's performance. So let's break them down and see how we can deal with them. What is overfitting? Overfitting happens when a model learns too much from the training data, including noise and random fluctuations. Think of it like a student who memorizes every single question from past exams but struggles with new questions in the real test. And what is underfitting? On the other hand, underfitting happens when a model is too simple and doesn't learn enough patterns from the data. Imagine a student who barely studies and hopes to pass an exam. Yeah, not a great strategy. And model performance. Understanding overfitting and underfitting is crucial for optimizing model performance. Now sign of overfitting. High accuracy on training data, low accuracy on test data, and a big gap between training and validation accuracy. The model fits too well to the training data but fails to generalize to new data. That's bad. And sign of underfitting. Low accuracy on both training and test data, the model hasn't captured enough patterns and it performs poorly on everything. The model is too basic and doesn't even fit the training data well. Now, why does this happen? Overfitting occurs when the model is too complex or too many layers, parameters, and others. And the training data is too small or not diverse. The model trains for too long and memorizes everything. Underfitting occurs when the model is too simple and not enough layers and weak architecture, and the data lacks important features. The model is not trained enough or stopped too early, so we need to find the right balance. Now, how to fix overfitting? Regularization or adds penalties to the model to reduce complexity. And more training data or a larger dataset helps the model learn general patterns. And cross-validation. That means splitting the data properly to check performance. And early stopping. That means stop training at the right moment to avoid memorization. Basically, we want to control the complexity of our model by keeping it powerful enough. And how to fix underfitting? Use a more complex model, meaning add layers, neurons, or better architecture, and increase the number of features, meaning extract more relevant information, and training for longer, meaning allow the model to learn properly, and reduce regularization, meaning too much regularization can make the model too simple. We need to make sure the model learns enough without going too far. And that's it. Now you understand overfitting, underfitting, and how to fix them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next one. Bye.